Hello again, friends. Welcome, new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. I have a lot of subscribers and friends that follow the channel that are just starting out, young guys and gals that want to start a detailing business, or are just enthusiasts or weekend warriors, driveway detailers. Well, when you're first starting out, choice of tools and products are very important to be successful. They have to make sense, and they have to be aimed towards services you want to provide. So starting out with something like Flex or Rupees Polisher is just out of the question and doesn't make sense. And it's kind of why I'm reviewing some of the cheaper economical polishers, and I'm going to continue doing that. And speaking of such a polisher, I have one today I want to show you, I want to take a look at. We are going to take a look at it in great detail, both inside out, and then we will take it out into the shop and do a little bit of a correction with it. It is the Go Plus 21 millimeter long throw polisher, and it's made by Hyet for Go Plus. It's $89, guys. Even if you use it to apply wax on your first few details, when you get them, it's going to make its money back rather quickly, and this is the sort of polisher you want to start out with, and then when you outgrow it, you can graduate, upgrade from there. You know, guys, I truly want you to be successful, prosperous, happy, healthy, wake up roaring to go to get working on that first job, the first detail, or even maybe just out in the driveway to care for and maintain your own car. So it's crucial to make wise choices at the beginning to have a long-running, successful business. So let's get out into the shop and break this thing down. Unboxing the polisher reveals the polisher itself with a 10-foot cord, a side handle, a light application, polishing pad, the instruction manual, Allen key, and a top handle. Okay, this is a Hyet polisher, a 6-inch backing plate. You can order 5-inch if you want, 900-watt motor, 21 millimeter throw, long throw polisher. Its dimensions are similar to some of the other polishers made in China, at somewhere around 17 inches long and 3 to 3.5 inches wide. I could tell you it's definitely one of the heaviest polishers. It's going to build up your muscles as you work with it and get used to the polisher at just under 6 pounds. Does have a digital or electronic display, somewhat similar to the torque models. However, you need to start it up a little bit differently. There is no on and off switch. Simply pulling the trigger and then locking it will power the unit up, and then you can just adjust the speed or push the speed buttons to get it going, and it has a slow or gentle start. It has 6 speeds, and if you have to stop it for any reason whatsoever, pull in the trigger, let the lock come back out, let go of the trigger. That automatically powers it down. You'll have to start from the beginning when you power it back up again. As for the brush set, when it's time to swap out the carbon brushes, something refreshing. You don't have to remove 6 screws to take the handle and switch apart, where there's just a 1 screw lid on a compartment where you can easily swap out those brushes. Remove this inner little piece of plastic used for protection covering the brushes, and there you go. Pull the wire, yank out the carbon brush, replace it, put the cap and then the vent back on, good to go. We're going to take it out into the shop, and we have the polisher ready for use, so let's use it. We have, as usual, a car waiting to be corrected by me, so let's apply some, we'll use the Boss Fast Correction Cream and do a little section on this Volkswagen thing. Hey, what can I say? For the price of the machine, guys, vibration is fine. As you can see, my hands here, it's not shaking the machine out of my hands. When it comes to the sound of the polisher, it's not that loud, it's bearable. I've heard worse. And also, for the price of the machine, the power's decent. $89 again, guys. You can't go wrong to start if you're on a budget, starting out, starting a business, or just want to take care of your car in your driveway. When it comes to durability, longevity, hey, it's the luck of the draw with these guys. I wouldn't be surprised if one of these broke down tomorrow. It really wouldn't surprise me if it lasted a year and you got a couple corrections out of it and made your money back with it. Not only can it apply wax, as you can see here, it does a decent job correcting. The swirls are gone. Okay, again, that is the Go Plus 6. It's a 21 millimeter long throw polisher for 89 bucks, made by Hyet for Go Plus. Now, obviously, an entry-level polisher for someone just starting out, just to be successful, you could use this to apply a wax or a sealant for the first few details until you get used to the tool, what it can do for you, and how to use it, how to exploit it. And once you do that, then by all means step it up, trade it in, graduate to a more expensive, more elaborate polisher. Will it last for years and do hundreds of corrections? I doubt it. Will it last long enough to bring in some cash flow, get your capital coming into your business, and then adjust and go from there? Maybe. So what I'm going to do, because I really want you guys to start out and be successful, is I've been watching in the comment section for all of you guys asking about polishers or starting out the comments by, hey, I'm just starting out, or I'm new to this, or I'm interested in detailing. I put all those comments together. I put them in this bag here, real high-tech stuff. There's probably about a dozen or two names in here. I'm going to draw a name and I'm going to send this polisher to one of these individuals here. They are just starting out, or they're young, or they're interested in taking care of, beginning to take care of their car. So I want to help out a little bit. I obviously can't do this every time or every week or every year, but I love to help when I can. So I'm going to pull a name out of this bag, and whoever it is, I need you to put your information down in the comments section so I can get you this polisher and you can get used to it and get going. So here we go. Mix them up a little bit. Okay. So Sean the detail guy, excuse my writing, please, chicken scratch, I was in a hurry. But Sean the detail guy put some info, some contact info at least, down in the comment section so I can get you this polisher as soon as possible and you can get going. So guys, I truly care about all of you, but I can only do this for one person at this point here. So if you have any questions at all about the polisher or anything we covered today, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.